The Umananda temple is located on a small island on the Brahmaputra river. The island is called Peacock Island and perhaps is the smallest river island in the world. To visit this place, you will need to take a ferry ride from the banks. There is a small hill on the island sheltering the temple named Bhasmasala. Lord Shiva is said to have resided here in the avatar of Bhayananda at the Umananda temple. As per the legend, goes according to an ancient Kalika Puran. In the very beginning of the creation, Shiva imparted knowledge to his wife Parvati on this hill and meditated here. It says that when Lord Shiva was in meditation on this hillock, it is said that Kamdeva interrupted his yoga and was therefore burned to ashes by the fire of Shiva's anger, and hence the hillock got the name Bhasmasala. It was believed that goddess Urvashi, who brought nectar for the pleasure of Kamakhya, resided here. Therefore, the island on which this temple is constructed is also known as Urvashi Island. In 1897, a considerable portion of this temple was damaged owing to the effects of a devastating earthquake. However, the damaged portion was later constructed by a rich local merchant. On reconstruction, he also added Vaishnavite inscription to the interior part of this temple. According to it is said that worshipping here on a Amavasya day, especially falling on Monday, brings highest bliss to the worshipper. Apart from this, Shiva Chaturdashi is another important festival which is held here annually. During the festival of Shivaratri, every year, a large number of devotees visit this temple. The only way to reach this temple is to board ferries and motor launches available at the Umananda Ghat. This ghat is located between the State Bank of India and the Ashoka.